there guys, I'm Captain Busket here. Just wanted to do a quick video on how to modify the custom buttons on your Stream Deck application. How to put a custom sound in, how to modify the background image for it, all in one easy go. Shouldn't take more than a few minutes to do a single button. So the first thing we need to start off with is getting our custom sound. So you come over to your Voicemod here, which you should have downloaded from their website. Get out of here, images, we don't need you yet. And we go to our soundboard, right? These are all my different sounds that I have downloaded off the internet in MP3 format. I'm gonna click add here and find one that I like. Let's see, let's go with okay. Alright, so now we've got that sound in here in our custom soundboard. Now I'll come over to my buttons on the Stream Deck, and I'm going to put this into my extracted because I'm an EFT player, and we'll add a button here. So I'm going to take soundboard, drop it on, and you may have an error here where this shows none, and when you click the drop down menu it doesn't show anything. If that is the case, then just copy and paste the button and it should basically fix that problem. But these are all, when you go to the profiles, these are separated in the different soundboard profiles. You can keep your sounds in different areas if you want. You don't have to all be in one. So I'll go to my soundboard, is where I'm keeping all my sounds right now, and then select the sound, and it's the Snoop Dogg bass instrumental. Okay, put some words in, right? Okay, and you can change with a little text here where the text appears on the button, and it is changing in real time on my screen as well. And there we go. So now that button should... Cool. Now it's set. Now let's add a custom image of the Snoop Dogg sound. So we're going to go to Google Images. There we go. Let's find a nice good photo of the man. Let's... which one? I like this photo. I like this one better. Okay. So it doesn't really matter the resolution at all that you use, because this is all going to be downscaled to 72 by 72 pixels, right? That's the maximum size that these images can be. So I'm just going to press print screen, or whatever you use to capture a screen grab. Pressing print screen will actually take a image of your screen and apply it to the clipboard. So while it's in your clipboard, we're going to go to Paint, Control V. Alright, we have our screen up. We're going to select just the part of the image that I want to be my background. It needs to be as square as you can make it, but it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? And I'm going to start over here at this edge, and then we're going to drag it across, just like that, okay? And then once you have this little segment selected, don't click outside of this, right? Once it still has this little dotted line around it, we're going to press Control C to copy that, and then open up a new image. Now we paste. Now, when you resize this in Paint, if you have not deselected this, it will only change this one image down and will leave the border around it up the same size, and it messes it up. So make sure you click outside, get rid of the dotted line, go to resize, switch to pixel mode, 72. Okay, as long as one of them is 72, the other one should be okay. The biggest one needs to be 72. And now it's small. We'll click save. We'll call it Snoop Dogg. And close out. Close out of Google. Now once we come back over to our button, come down here, and there's a little drop down arrow. This is set from file. Click that. Navigate to your images folder, wherever it may be. Double click, and there you go. Now you've got Snoop Dogg as the background image of your Snoop Dogg button. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that was helpful, and you guys go out there and make some custom buttons. Alright.